Hey guys, super quick video here just showing you how to use Zapier to connect from MailChimp to another email newsletter platform. So for example, we've got MailChimp here. Now what I've done is I've come into Zapier.com and I've actually gone, I can't remember if I went to apps or I went to explore. I think I possibly went to explore, that's it. So then you get this whole list, pick apps to explore workflow ideas. So in our case, we want MailChimp, so we put MailChimp in there. I'm going to use ActiveCampaign as the example here, so I'm going to put ActiveCampaign in there. So that has chosen those two platforms to find the connections between those. And you've got some perfect matches, as it says here. So these are the things that are commonly used, and this is the one that we'd pick. So add a new MailChimp list subscriber to an ActiveCampaign contact, and you just click use this app and off you go. So you would need to create a free plan. Obviously I've already got one, so it's going to try and log me in as mine, but you can set up a free plan. And I believe with the free plans, let me just go and have a look at that. Let's have a look at our up here pricing. So this is in US dollars, but it doesn't really matter. But as you can see under here, free, you can get 100 tasks a month. So basically that would sync up 100 people, assuming you just do copy this email from MailChimp to ActiveCampaign. That would be a task. One email would be one task. So you'd get 100 contacts moved across for free using that. And obviously then if you need, you can set up 5 different Zaps. So that would be connecting different platforms, but obviously we're just talking about connecting MailChimp to your email platform. That would take care of that for 100 people per month. After that, obviously, you need to start paying. But anyway, that's a very quick way that you can shortcut for automating the transfer of contacts between MailChimp and your other platforms. So obviously, because we can connect to MailChimp directly, you would create a free plan with MailChimp, which the free plan allows you to do these kind of integrations, so that's all fine. So you set up a free plan with MailChimp. Let me just show you, I'm writing an article at this point where I'm going to put this in, so you can go and search for this if you need it under our help system. But you would set up a free account with MailChimp, then you connect your MailChimp account to Co-Kinetic. Then you create a free account with Zapier, and then you're going to watch this video and see how you connect those two together. So hopefully that's useful. Cheers, guys.